After a vegetable vendor tested COVID positive and several people in that locality had to be quarantined in Ahmedabad, there is an apprehension. How do you buy vegetables? How do you keep vegetables sanitized when it comes into your house? What do we do? Well, in our house, we keep zero contact with any vegetable vendor. A list is sent out. The vegetables are then kept in a cardboard box outside the house. We bring that cardboard box inside. No packets, no nothing. And then we sanitize the vegetables ourselves. It is a time consuming process. First, pick up a hand spray or disinfectant. Wear gloves. Sanitize your hands. That's step one. Soak them completely in the disinfectant. Sanitize it. Have several buckets in front of you, one for vegetables. Now this bucket has potassium permanganate in it. So leafy vegetables, methi. Well, as soon as leafy vegetables come in, soak it in a bucket full of potassium permanganate and let it soak for some time. That's step one. Do the same with, let's say, fruits, oranges, mango season, mangoes. Soak it in a bucket full of potassium permanganate. What do you do with milk and milk products? So when milk packets come in, again have another bucket and have that bucket full of soapy water. And you put milk packets inside. Soak it again. They say 20 seconds, 25 seconds, but do it longer. Let it be there for a couple of minutes. Let that soak in too. So milk packets go into the soapy water. What do you do with things like bread or buns? Now this you can't put either in potassium permanganate or in soapy water. What you do is either you spray disinfectant on that liberally, alternatively have a cloth full of the disinfectant, let it be soaking wet. Once it's soaking wet, you put in the disinfectant, then very systematically, and this is a time consuming process but needs to be done effectively, you disinfect it and then have a designated clean area. Start putting things in the designated clean area. Like these milk packets now, they've been soaking for some time. You take it out, but don't take it to your fridge right away. You soak it in a bucket full of clean water. Let it soak in clean water for some time. Similarly, same is what the thing with your vegetables and fruits. You've taken it out of potassium permanganate, but you don't want disinfectant or any other thing in your while you eat it. Again, have a separate bucket. Like we have a separate bucket here full of clean water. You soak it in that bucket of clean water. After that, take everything out. Now, this is where all the products come in. This is the cleaning area. This is the designated clean area. You have several baskets like this. You start putting these things in those clean baskets. Now in the first room of your house, spread out a giant bed sheet or lots of towels like this and put everything separately in on that towel, on those bed sheets. Switch on the fan, let it dry for about half an hour and only then take it into your fridge or your kitchen. Now this is time consuming. So what you can also do is perhaps shop twice a week, buy it in larger quantities. You and your spouse or your partner, you do this together. This is great together time, but do make sure your children or parents are not involved in this exercise, because after all, it is for their safety, for the safety of your loved ones that you're going through this exercise. Stay safe, stay home, eat healthy.